Best dual hose portable air conditioners. Product link in the description below. One of the luxuries that we regularly enjoy in modern times is the air conditioner. This useful appliance is great in turning hot and damp spaces into cool, comfortable spaces. If you have a large room with high ceilings, you'll discover that your regular air conditioner might not adequately meet your needs. In this post, we will see the 10 best dual hose portable air conditioners that you can buy right now. List of the best dual hose portable air conditioners. 10. Ivation 12,000 BTU portable dual hose air conditioner. 9. Toyotomi TAD T40LW. 8. Ideal Air conditioner. 7. Avalon APAC 120S. 6. EdgeStar AP12000HS. 5. Winter ARC12SD. 4. Winter 11,000 BTU air conditioner. 3. Higher 14,000 BTU 115 volts dual hose portable AC. 2. Winter ARC143MX dual hose portable air conditioner. 1. Winter ARC14S 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.